Welcome to CodeNyra. Today, we're setting the stage for what this channel is all about. Understanding systems, not just code. The job market today is brutal. It's not just competitive, it's a war. And the ones winning it aren't just coders. They're the ones who truly understand what they're building and why. But what's holding most developers back? It's a massive knowledge gap. Most developers today copy code from ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. They paste it. It works. But ask them how it works? Silence. Ask them why a component behaves a certain way in production. Blank stares. That gap between writing code and understanding systems is exactly what's killing careers in interviews and on the job. This is why CodeNyra exists, to solve this fundamental problem. I created CodeNyra not just to make videos or grow a channel, but because I genuinely want to help this community, developers, freshers, working professionals, bridge that gap. I have over 13 years of experience in the IT industry. What I've learned is this: tools change, frameworks change, languages evolve, but the core concepts behind them, those are forever. So what can you expect from the CodeNyra channel? On this channel, I cover AWS Cloud, Python, AI, Agentic AI, machine learning, .NET Core, Docker, Kubernetes, and a lot more coming. But here's what makes CodeNyra different. Every video doesn't just show you what to do. It explains the core idea behind it. Why does this architecture work this way? How do the pieces connect? That level of depth, you won't find it anywhere else. This is your single point of contact for real industry knowledge. Now let's talk about the most practical payoff of all, your next interview. When you walk into an interview, scenario-based questions won't scare you anymore, because you won't just have memorized answers. You'll understand the system. You'll reason through it live. That's what gets you placed, faster than candidates who only practice syntax. If this resonates with you and your career goals, it's time to take action. Subscribe to CodeNyra, turn on notifications, and stay ahead of what's actually happening in the industry. And if there's a technology or topic you want me to cover, drop it in the comments. I read every one. I will make that video. Thanks for being here. Let's build something real. Happy learning.